Just join in.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the inaugural Fast and Sweaty Tuesdays. As you can see, we are at the same meet spot that we're always at, actually. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But it's pretty lit. And it's, what time is it? 8 o'clock?
It's like 8:30.
Yeah,
give or take.
Yeah, most people will probably start showing around like
8:32.
9, but pretty good turnout so far. Lots of sick cars. Lots of S15s.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
And the line's not even done. And there's actually one away from the line right now too, I think, so.
Having a good time. What is going on in the back of Russell's car? What the hell?
Party.
Yo! Where's Russell? What the fuck? What's going on back here, dude?
Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god. I gotta get away from them so I can do the actual intro. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so obviously, as Steven just explained, we are at the Fast and Sweaty first weekly meet. This is gonna be every week. I'll put like the event stuff in the description just in case you guys are from here and want to come, right?
Right.
Yeah, no, it's just supposed to be like chill meet, so we'll just record when stuff happens. Hopefully we have no dicks tonight. That's like the saying.
We don't have any dicks.
That's the saying. So
No
our buddy
dicks.
Will, he wrote up the description of the meet and basically says it's a no dick policy. So if there's any dicks, we'll make sure to get it on camera and then kick them out.
No dicks.
No dicks. No dicks.
No dicks.
No dicks. Arthur.
No penis.
Can't put that in.
No beep.
No beep.
I said in Spanish. What do you mean?
What?
Penis. That's dicks in Spanish.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm serious. I'm 100% serious.
I don't believe him. Anyways,
If somebody else speaks Spanish, wrote it down in the comments.
so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show the S15s
All the
right
sick
now,
ones.
and
All
then
right, here. Let's
here,
go.
Steven will do it.
So first we'll see this one.
No. First we're gonna take a look at this guy. Where's Brandon? All right, Dad.
Hello.
So, we've seen this car a little bit. No, no, just no. Fitment's pretty good though. I'm a big fan of that.
My wheels are dirty.
Ew, what's going on with your interior?
O-Tech seats, bro.
Oh,
They're for sale. Actually, let me put this in the video. They're for sale. I'm looking for 3,000 US. It's a pretty good deal. If you look online.
3,000 US.
Yeah.
You get 3,000 US. Then like the blue seats. I don't know how much you get for those. Russell, you should buy your S15, man. Yeah. But he's got some like fancy ass switches right there. I just want to flip them on. What do they do? Don't even look at them. That's his race one.
It's not done.
No, it's not done, he says. Nothing special. It's just like kind of a crappy ass.
Just an RB25.
Yeah, just an RB25. You know, it's like tiny turbo, like.
7064 EFR. 4-ace manifold, Dutchwork 750cc injectors. Ready intake manifold.
Honda Odyssey battery. That's pretty
It's
sick.
not a Honda Odyssey battery. It's an Odyssey battery. If you knew stuff about cars, you'd know that.
Ooh. Hey, you wanna play? What's going on over there?
Don't look at it.
It's okay. I've got some too.
So the turbo's on the wrong side.
What do you mean the turbo's on the wrong side?
It's a Toyota and a Nissan.
Toyota and a Nissan.
Yeah,
Buddy, it's a K20. Come on.
That's what he wanted to do.
I know, it's a K20. So I'm gonna tell everyone. I'm just actually really upset I have my hood popped. I wanted to roll in later and just like have everyone think it's an SR and just be like, oh, surprise. I know, it does not sound like an SR. But that bumper needs paint because the bumper's disgusting. But sick color.
Whoa, you forgot something.
Oh yeah, what are we looking at?
Hand polished, hand woven.
Oh yeah, look at that.
US dollar
Look at
alternator.
that. Look at that alternator. Damn, son.
Yeah, we didn't touch it.
Yeah, speed holes. A little bit of carbon fiber there.
He's gonna need those for when he tries to keep up.
HKS.
Oh, hey, rule when you're filming, you have to show the dog though. Not miss the puppy.
Yeah. All right, then there's this one, and his hood's not popped, so
This is the step slope.
so I don't know what's going on under here, but
Pop the hood.
yeah, pop the hood, dude.
Something cool.
Pop the hood. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing a review of all the S15s at the meet tonight.
Alright, Travis, you gotta Photoshop something
How's it going,
sick as here. Alright.
This is spec
Arthur,
sleeper.
the only way I'm lifting.
Let's go. Here we go.
What can I put under there?
Oh, no alarm? What's going on there, bud?
Oh, hey.
All right, if anyone wants to steal this car.
Should I put a barra? A barra?
Just a monster can. Just do a monster can.
It's a LFA V10 swap, actually. Trev?
Hey!
It's an LFA V10 swap. You seen it?
So okay,
Yeah.
like LFA V10. LFA V10?
Yeah.
Pinky swear. I'll shake on it.
Whoa, here we go.
Okay, LFA
100%.
V10.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready?
Dun. You need to put some like wicked music in.
3, 2, 1.
Bam! Oh, look at that. Hey, oh, hey. That's a sick KA, dude. Nice.
It's a
You're
weird
missing something.
That is a weird looking V10.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Surprised it fits in there.
Title of this video.
Yeah, I mean,
LFA V10
Steven sold it to me as a turbo
S15.
model. Like something's missing here.
Yeah, so unfortunately, it's got no turbo, but Sean's car is like immaculately clean. Like out of all the S15s here, it's one of the nicest ones. His interior, Sean, can I open the door?
It's already open also.
Sean's interior is like absolutely flawless. Like it's so pretty, not a scratch, freaking mint, Nismo butt plug, and then he's got this fancy brace. Sean, come over here. Explain this brace to the camera. What's going on here?
It just looks cool.
Is it a Nismo brace?
That's for when you get T-boned.
It's a Cusco like side brace.
Did you have to cut through the car to mount that, or like
No.
what is
No,
the bolt?
actually,
to?
I'm missing the bottom bolt there, where you're supposed to drill into the floor. But like,
Yeah, basically.
right now, yeah, it's not really doing much. It just looks kind of cool.
It looks pretty sick. It's an oil oil temp actually. Yeah, it is.
It comes with an aero kit. What? That's it.
Turbo.
Y'all need to delete. You need to delete that.
Delete the dent.
No, the Silvia logo. Take it off. None of the rest.
No,
of
dude, the Silvia logo looks sick.
All the other ones gone. All right, moving over.
Well, this is a piece of shit.
Oh. These tinted taillights.
Hey, RCMP
I like the wing. D-Max?
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Hey, yo, hey. So a cop pulled up. He's walking into Tim Hortons. He's like, there's a cop right there.
Oh, nice.
He walked in, Tim's talking with him, and he's like, I've actually been looking to go to some car meets to hang out with and just chill out. So the cop's chill. The cop's like, yeah, I'm not too worried.
Welcome to Burnaby, yo.
It's like low-key
Feds.
flowing through.
All right, now tell me about your car.
It's a spec car, 60,000 miles on it. Drove it to California and back. It's been super reliable.
Impressive. And over your interior,
Yeah, it's
because
got it.
race car.
It's got its homemade LSD, Roland's coilovers, so it's back to the highlights. Pretty sick. Don't look at this.
All right, we'll pass that. And then because race car, no front bumper.
Yeah,
Gang.
50 hours into repairing my fiberglass.
50 hours.
50 hours.
Holy.
Okay, wait, what's in this one? I gotta edit something over.
Well, no, this one's turbo.
Single jingle.
Single
You want a
jingle.
Single case.
Yeah.
This is a
Nice battery mount.
No, it's legit. It passed tech at every
Y'all thought
game.
mine was bad?
Yeah, it did.
Y'all thought mine was bad.
Yo,
Dude, your
valve
car is just a
cover
mess, man.
leak. You ever see this?
Oh, that's wow. Holy.
Is it Shanghai Spoolie Blur or Nagasaki Noisy Boy?
None of the above, eBay.
Wow.
You just confused
All
me.
right, now we gotta slide down this way.
Nissan spec.
Where's that guy? All right, Duke, tell me about your S15. Oh,
This is not well. This is like
it's pretty nice.
Bumper looks good.
Yeah, front end looks really good. I'm a big fan.
Used to have a spec R wing.
Oh, he has one?
yeah.
Yeah.
I need an S15. Basically.
Yeah.
Like
That's an understatement, dude.
really bad. The thing is, if I were to get an S15, it can't have an SR in it because I already have the SR and the S13, and I don't plan on getting rid of that. So that's where my dilemma comes in.
Okay, so swap it. Buy an auto NA.
Yeah.
Buy a motor.
Yeah,
Go an RB25 with your name on it.
that's true. I would probably do an RB25 swap.
Brittany.
Hello.
This lineup is sick.
Robert,
We're gonna go
time for a roast session.
roast session.
What do you mean? That's what happens when you own the better Laurel.
Yeah, I know.
What's the quotation mark?
So the better Laurel,
Drivable Laurel.
the better Laurel is at the meet today. Not gonna lie, Robert's car's sorry.
I can bleep.
The Shino's like just the ride height. Like I'm
15s.
big fan. Like
boys.
big fan. So the only thing he needs now is to buy my goddamn motor to put in your car.
Yeah,
so you
we
have
keep the
manual
hood
and
shut.
turbo.
We don't open it
But
Why don't you open it, Robert?
because it's non-turbo.
Rough, but in all seriousness, this is very, very clean. Oh, I take that back. I thought you were at least manual swapped. Come on. Just kidding.
The seats are comfy.
The seats are comfy.
Oh
that's
man,
what
it's like a
matters.
goddamn couch.
Really?
Yeah, like they're so nice. Hop in.
Here you go. Okay, what's comfier, back or
Back, 100% the back.
Which side do I have more
Right
room?
here.
Whoa! Laurels are frameless?
Yeah.
Dope. Whoa! Oh my god, okay.
Dude, road trips in this thing? Amazing.
VIP, and I got a little holy blank
A
handle.
choo-choo handle.
Choo-choo.
Robert, tell us about your car.
Yo, it smells really good in here too.
There's nothing left to tell. It's automatic, non-turbo. The Hoshinos are the like saving grace.
That's a sick car.
And it's a Laurel. And
It's a
people
sick
think it's a Toyota.
The one thing that Robert's car has that my car doesn't have, which really upsets me,
Sorry, the two things that really upset you. That.
the hood ornament.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Oh yeah, the parking stick. Damn it.
You're gonna have to explain
So
what that is.
GDM. Alright, so for the viewers that don't know what this is, it's a parking stick. So obviously in Japan, you sit on the right, and when you drive on the left-hand side of the road. So this is essentially so you know where your bumper is, but it's retractable, it lights up. Oh, there it goes again. But it's pretty sick. Like, I don't have that. I also don't have that. I tried taking this off. You can like play with it. Yeah, it's in case you hit something, it like saves the logo.
Oh yeah, it has a wire. It has a wire in there.
Actually, can you keep up to it? We gotta make some jokes.
Oh, here we go.
You gotta give it a bit of a pull.
So it's a chaser, huh?
Where's your thingy?
What's up?
In the middle.
Chaser, huh? Oh. So, but like, who puts an RB into a Toyota? No, just joking. Just joking. Just
Oh,
joking.
for Lexus.
I know.
That's why I said I have to go park next to Will over there.
You should have parked next to Will,
I should,
dude. You
but
should
there's
have.
a Sienna sitting there. So.
Sienna's in the way.
Is what it is. Is what it is. Checking out the cars though, so they seem pretty chill.
Yeah.
They seem pretty chill.
So,
They're loving it.
with all the cars here, basically, no matter how many cars there are here, they were actually giving a ticket to a Micra, a Nissan Micra.
What did the Micro get a ticket for?
Don't know what he did.
Had expired insurance.
Oh,
But
damn, that's an
but
expensive
still,
ticket.
But still, they literally, everybody else here haven't bothered. They're walking around being really chill.
Yeah.
So this is nice.
And the cop actually was talking to Jack and was like,
Yeah.
super chill about it.
Leader bike,
What did you ride?
leader bike, and then there's this just abomination. What is going on here? Like,
Give me the key, give me the key, give me the key, give me the key. Wait, where do I put the key in?
all right, Shai, tell me about your bike.
Oh, you know, it's a bike.
It's a bike.
Am I using the right key? Nope. Yeah.
Look at it. Look at, without the fairing, it looks just so weird.
Oh wait,
Like
what?
a little gas mask, dude.
That's pretty cool.
I'm definitely having problems
What's going on
here.
here?
Shy, I got your other Suzuki key stuck.
Uh-oh.
There we go.
Are we doing a start?
No, we're not doing
Oh,
this.
we're not doing a start. We're turning the lights. Hey, should we want to do that with the cops here?
Why not? Okay, I totally.
Well, it says on, so.
Well, that's old bike things. You just got to find it. There it is. Okay, so that.
Okay, do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Oh, okay, that's a little bright. Hang on.
You gotta hit it from the side.
No, it's not gonna do it. So if you can't tell, there's white lights, but then there's like a blue ring around it. So total VI, but that's fine.
It's hilarious.
Stress.
Hi.
You want to tell me about your bike?
It's a ZX-10R with 30K. Way too much power. Sitting at around 185 horse.
185 horse.
Out of a bike? That's
a
more
bike.
than most
Yo,
Hondas.
we should swap that motor into something.
Go-kart.
No, not even like a car, like a
Go-kart.
Miata or something.
I just bought it, man.
Let's make
let me
185
ride it before we start putting it into a different chassis.
Well, if anything ever happens to it.
If anything ever happens to it, you'll see it in a smart car.
Mr. Nerd Media himself. Hola. You don't have as many bugs as Shiraz.
I wiped them all off before I left.
Yeah.
I just wish I'd done that before. Yo, I think there's a chick behind you that's leaving.
It's vibrating on it.
He's like, Kane's just like, what?
What are you doing?
That's hilarious.
That's so good.
That's why I was like, nice hollow horn.
Anything like 800 horsepower, anything between like 500 and 800, I'm hoping to get.
Your big ass head.
That's the radio cool. Basically anything.
He's just rifling water bottles at his car.
Throwing water bottles at it isn't gonna put one place.
Oh, I'm so upset I didn't get that. I'm so upset.
Brandon, I love you.
You're gonna need to do like captions for that.
Oh, can you do like a little bottle flip?
Oh, hang on, here we go.
Okay, take one.
Oh.
See ya.
No dicks.
Where'd it go? Yo, did it land upright?
Yeah.
Hey!
We're good.
Yeah, so I'll just edit it, make it look like it landed perfectly.
Show's over.
This is nuts.
This is wild, dude.
This is great.
Inspecting. He literally wants to buy my hood. I told him $2,000 Canadian. And he's tempted.
Where does it say Seabon Steven? Oh, I'm retarded.
Anybody steal that Seabon, real Seabon?
That's legitness.
Alright, Tito, tell us about your build.
So I slang dime bags on the side to fund these choppers here. And yeah, that's about it.
So it's fake SRT, guys.
Oh yeah, man.
Totally fake.
SRT's from polished aluminum. These are chrome.
Oh, chrome. That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. This thing probably would whoop like half of the cars here.
The correct term is that it definitely does that.
Alright you guys, so I never really did an outro to yesterday's video or anything. We were at the meet and then, I don't know, I was kind of just enjoying not having the camera in my hand for a while. It was really good turnout, so yeah. As we mentioned earlier, if you're local, can't see me, every Tuesday there is going to be a fast and sweaty meet. It is at Tim Hortons. It's just past Market Crossing in Burnaby. I'll put all the info in the description. Anyways guys, that is all for me today. So as per usual, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.